So it's month 5 of the year, 5 months of beard growing without any trimming apart from down, a little bit down here when I get my hair cut and the cheek lines and one neck trim. These 5 months have gone incredibly fast. But there's just a few little updates I wanted to give you going into 2019. So 2019, the year will end at around the end of July. So I think it's the 28th of July I've got to grow this beard until, and the last yeared video will be sort of mid-August, just by the time I've edited everything. So that's kind of the way in which this channel is going to operate through the rest of 2019, well, at least until August time. And throughout those 8 months, there's going to be a ton of product review videos and a fair amount of DIY product recipes. So I'm going to teach you how to make beard butter, beard oil, beard balm, and maybe some other stuff to help you out with your beard. So if you don't want to go out and spend money on products, you have an option. You can just make them at home. So I actually just took a few weeks off YouTube altogether. Actually, I haven't recorded any videos. I haven't really thought about YouTube. I just left it in the background working away just over Christmas time. So hopefully you guys had a really good Christmas, and I'd like to just say Happy New Year to all of you as well. I mean, I think 2019 is going to be an awesome month, and I just want to talk about some of the goals that I've set myself. So for example, for the Beardster YouTube channel, I think it'd be awesome to hit 100,000 subscribers. I mean, who wouldn't say no to 100 subscribers? Do I think it's possible? I mean, it's hard to know. All it takes is one video, but I think it's going to be a very difficult one to achieve. But that's kind of where I'm going. That's where I'm setting my sights this year. And I'm also going to be uploading 3 times a week. So I've typically been uploading videos 1 to 2 times a week. Sometimes I've managed 3. So to do 3 videos a week consistently is going to be a bit more of a challenge. Now, as part of uploading 3 times a week, I'm going to be doing 1 yeared video, which will be every single Sunday up until sort of mid-August time at present. Then Tuesdays and Thursdays at the moment are the preferred upload dates. So on those days, on Tuesdays for example, there'll be unboxing videos, product reviews, and I think maybe the odd how-to and beard tips and stuff like that outside of the actual yeared series. So on Thursdays there'll be unboxings, product reviews, and DIY beard care recipes, and also a bit of information around things such as the ingredients as we go throughout the year, but that'll probably be the later part of the year. So that's what 2019 is going to kind of look like on this channel. There's going to be a lot more content, a lot more media, and just as one last parting little bit of information, it'd be awesome to have a bunch of you guys come join us over at the Facebook group. I'll leave a link in the description below, so you can just come along, join the group, and there'll be a ton of giveaways throughout 2019 over there as well. I'll see you very soon, guys. Goodbye.